This is how technology works in Singapore, an automatic fresh orange juice vending machine, with a cash or cashless option. After the payment is done, the machine will prepare a fresh juice from a raw orange fruit. And pour into the cup. Once the cup is filled, the machine will move the cup to seal with a plastic cover. Pull up the latch and pick the cup. It's done! Juice is ready to drink. But wait, don't forget to take a straw from the dispenser. Your $2 is so worthy. Enjoy juice freshness and healthy living.